Dear students, in this part, we'll continue our discussion of the subject Human Resource Management. In Diploma program, in this subject, in the third chapter, Behavioral Dynamics, we will analyze self or interpersonal behavior. The need for interpersonal competence is to be appreciated. We will understand the determinants of interpersonal behavior, the concept of interpersonal orientation and attractions, and its importance in human behavior, the need to develop team spirit and positive attitude will be the focal point of this chapter. The concept of group dynamics will be explained. The meaning of group will be understood. How to form a group, that is, the dynamics of group formation, various types of groups, the role and importance of groups in an organization, the desirable characteristics of group member, the concept and importance of positive attitude and openness of mind is to be learned to have a behavioral change in industrial workers, technicians, engineers, and managers if we want to have an overall human resource management for the progress of an organization. At the same time, there are do's and don'ts for developing positive attitude, which are to be understood separately when we develop positive thinking in our minds. Otherwise, everything will jumble up and we'll lose our positivity. In a nutshell, the importance of mental health is crucial to develop positivity because a healthy mind is the prerequisite without which positive thinking will never come in our minds. At the same time, all we have are negative thoughts and our minds will not be stable. Stability and good healthy mind leads to positive thinking and attitude development. In the fourth chapter, Leadership Development, we will appreciate how to develop leadership qualities in men and women. There are a great number of definitions and statements about leadership by philosophers and statesmen, which the world has seen in the past. Their viewpoints about leadership qualities are to be understood properly if we want to inculcate the above qualities in us. If the leaders are inspirational, they can develop good qualities in their subordinates. By motivation and training of subordinate staff, this can be successfully accomplished. Further, in this chapter, we will study situational approach to leadership, qualities of a good leader, power influence and compliance, influence of leadership, techniques to deal with people effectively, case studies, need, importance and types of training, need and importance of motivation, supervisor's role as facilitator and motivator, need, importance and use of counseling and mentoring. There are important elements in leadership development which we will study in this chapter. That is, how to develop decision making ability in the individual who have to take strategic decisions in an organization. We will study the importance of problem solving, decision making in context of productivity, quality, cost consciousness, human relations, and goal achievement. Factors affecting decision making, the types and process of decision making, make the decisions for a given case situation and different case studies. In fifth chapter, Change and Stress Management, we will identify need and barriers of change, why there is a need for change, what are the different barriers to change. We will suggest various strategies for any change, that is, effective implementation and management of change through case studies will be studied in detail. How to manage resolution of conflicts will be the main focal point of this chapter. We will learn about trade unions and their objectives. Further, we will study the constructive role of trade unions in goal setting, achievement, and change management, causes and resolution. Techniques of conflicts through case studies will be taught. Further, we will identify causes of stress, concept of stress, how to develop the ability to manage stress. That is, various stress managing techniques are to be understood properly. Why there is a need for relieving stress in humans is to be understood through case studies. We will learn the various techniques to manage the stress. In this way, we will learn in this course Human Resource Management for third semester Diploma Engineering program. Thank you.